Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the image sent to our group. See, this is the image. Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send an image to a Telegram group from your application. But before that, you will need to learn how to send a simple text message by going through this Getting Started guide. In the guide, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will find this tutorial video. Watch it. When you're done, come back here. Welcome back. Now that you know how to send a simple text message to a group, let's get back to the real deal. Let's click on Python. On this tutorial page, you'll find a link to download the sample code. When the download is complete, expand the file. Then, navigate to this directory. After that, you open up the following file. In this file, we need to customize a few things, including the instance ID, the client ID, and the client secret. Of course, most importantly, we have to specify the group by providing the group name and group admin. In this example, we're going to send this JPEG file to the group. Let's do the customization now. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the image sent to our group. See, this is the image. What are you waiting for? Sign up, have fun, and try it out for yourself.